Hello everyone, today I will show you how to copy an image in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Simply you cannot copy this image. Select this home option. Here you will find this edit option. Click here. Now click on this image and select. Now press right button for our mouse cursor and select copy, or press Ctrl C for our keyboard for copy and select, and go to another page or another PDF file or folder and simply press Ctrl V for our keyboard and say this. This image is now copy and pasted. And also I will copy this one, select and press Ctrl C for our keyboard, and I will put here and say this. This image is now copy and paste. Say this. In this way, you can copy and paste all of your images for your PDF file. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.